What's up YouTube, it's Bus89. Real quick, I just did a muffler upgrade, went from a muffler delete to Super 44, so check it out and let me know what you think.